Have you ever noticed those simple whiteboard animation videos that seem impossible to scroll past? They're clean, satisfying to watch, and somehow keep people engaged until the very last second. That's exactly why educational creators, history channels, and fact-based content creators are pulling in millions of views using this style. But here's the surprising part. Most people think these videos require expensive software or advanced animation skills. And they don't. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create professional whiteboard animation videos completely free using AI. And to prove it works, take a look at this video I created in less than 5 minutes.
Did you know that dozens of countries have completely disappeared from the map over the last 200 years? Borders are not permanent. Nations can split apart, merge together.
Pretty impressive for something created in just a few minutes, right? So make sure you're subscribed because we're jumping straight into the process. Step 1. Open the master prompt linked in the description. Inside, you'll find prompt number 1. Simply copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 20 unique whiteboard animation video ideas for you. If you don't like the suggestions, no problem. Ask for more ideas or enter your own topic. Once you've selected a topic, go back to Google Doc and copy prompt number 2. Then paste directly into ChatGPT and replace the topic section with your chosen idea. After you hit enter, ChatGPT will instantly generate complete scene-by-scene whiteboard animation prompts along with a matching voiceover structure. Now here's something very important. Sometimes AI video generators struggle with drawing hands correctly, which can make the animation look unnatural or obviously AI generated. To solve this, I've included a hand correction prompt inside the document. Simply paste it into ChatGPT together with your scene prompt, and it will optimize the instructions to create much cleaner and more realistic whiteboard animations. Once your prompts are ready, copy video prompt 1 and open Google Flow. Select video, choose ingredients, and then pick your preferred model, duration, and export settings. Paste your prompt and click Generate. Within moments, your first whiteboard animation scene will be ready. Repeat the same process for each remaining scene until you've generated all the visuals for your video. For this example, I created 4 separate scenes. Next, let's generate the voiceover. Head back to ChatGPT and use the voiceover prompt included in the document. It will instantly generate a complete narration script for your entire video. Copy the script and paste it into your favorite text-to-speech platform, such as 11 Labs. Generate the voiceover and download the audio. Now open your preferred video editor. Import all of your generated scenes in the voiceover file. Start by placing the voiceover on the timeline. Then arrange the video clips in the correct order. Trim unnecessary sections, adjust clip speed where needed, and synchronize each scene with the narration for a smooth viewing experience. If any of your generated clips contain a watermark, simply scale the footage slightly or place your own channel watermark over it. Once everything is aligned and polished with the final video, and that's it. Your AI-generated whiteboard animation video is now ready to upload. The entire workflow takes only a few minutes and requires absolutely no animation experience. You'll find the complete master prompt waiting for you in the description below. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.